Hello, Moray and Agnew team. I'm Romilly, and this is my video for the paralegal position recently advertised in the recruitment announcement. As a current Juris Doctor student at the Melbourne Law School, entering my penultimate year of studies, I've cultivated a strong interest in mediation, property, and estate law. I have a particular affinity for transactional law, having some experience with development and construction law. I'm seeking to increase my exposure to litigation, and I personally enjoy the VCAT disputes and resolution process. These areas align seamlessly with the diverse and engaging workload described in your paralegal program. In my spare time, I enjoy reading, studying languages, especially Spanish, theater, and the occasional ice hockey game. My professional background, including my role as a legal clerk at Gaydon's property development team, has equipped me with the skills needed for a dynamic role as a paralegal. From drafting internal and external correspondences to navigating complex research tasks, I am confident in my ability to contribute effectively to your team. I also have exposure to legal tools like PEXA and Adderant that set me apart from other applicants. I also have leadership and communication skills cultivated through my active involvement in local government initiatives, international charitable organizations, and my background as a radio script writer and host in Cayman. Organizations I have been involved with at a leadership and managerial level include Amnesty International, Key Leader, various Glen Iris City Council youth programs, and Model United Nations. From these initiatives, I've developed a certain servant leadership model, which ensures each member of my team feels valued and heard, regardless of what role they play. Excelling in fast-paced office environments, I am proficient in MS Suite with keen interests in Excel, PowerPoint, and Access. My familiarity with billing software and my ability to balance and prioritize administrative support aligns well with the demands of a dynamic legal setting. Moray and Agnew's commitment to mentoring paralegals and offering a varied workload perfectly resonates with my professional aspirations. I am particularly drawn to gaining hands-on experience in different practice areas, attending client meetings, and managing small litigation matters. I am particularly interested in increasing my exposure to the property industry and continuing to develop my skills drafting Section 32 statements, contracts, and documents necessary for successful owners corporations, such as leases and licenses. I have been across several complex research tasks during both employment and study, including the ipso facto reforms in the Corporations Act, coronial inquests for Aboriginal deaths, and changes to commercial and industrial property tax upon sale of a property. Fellow staff managers comment that my work is concise, correct, and presentable to clients. My preferred research databases include OSLI, Westlaw AU, and Lexis Advanced. I've become familiar with navigating and synthesizing information from members of my team and stakeholders, including clients that are unfamiliar with law and the litigious process. I would appreciate the opportunity to bring these skills to Moray and Agnew and increasing the business's online presence by writing informative articles for your clientele. I have also worked on multiple community service and pro bono projects. Some tasks were assigned to me as part of my development within the team, and others I sought out for myself, including working with Annika Legal. I would appreciate the opportunity to further my skills and knowledge in this area with Moray and Agnew. In particular, I'm interested in the homeless persons legal services and the Surfing the Spectrum program. Having grown up in the Cayman Islands, I would appreciate the importance of both of these programs and supporting vulnerable members of society. I'm excited about the prospect of contributing to Moray and Agnew's esteemed team. I welcome the opportunity to discuss how my skills and experiences align with the needs of your firm in more detail. Thank you for considering my application. I'm available at your earliest convenience for an interview and look forward to the possibility of joining Moray and Agnew as a valued member of the paralegal program.